Hey everybody, Joe from JO Builds here. As I've been doing these videos, I've been learning a lot. I have a background in digital photography, done a lot of that. This is my DSLR camera here. I use a Nikon, I have some lenses. So I started there, but a lot of that's carried over to doing these videos, but also been learning a lot about these videos. So as we're going along, we've been trying to make them better, trying to add things to it. So my sister actually sent me this. She saw one of my videos and sent this over. I guess it's a ring light. So hopefully this will kind of help out. We're gonna open it up today and see what's in here and what exactly we got. Got instructions, light. So, adjustable tripod stand here, that'll be nice. I can adjust it, set up the camera, make it a little easier. Right now, my camera's just sitting on a couple blocks of wood up against one of my tool boxes, and so this would be nice to have. Okay. A little tripod. So that was pretty simple to set up, made it nice and easy, so can't wait to try and use this thing. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on Facebook, JO Builds, or on Instagram at JO Builds Hollister. Can you follow us? I got a couple videos coming out. I've realized how long these videos actually take, even for just a simple process. So again, been learning a lot, more videos to come. Go ahead and check them out, like,